Good morning, and welcome to today's Daily No Nonsense Crypto Minutes. Today, I want to talk about dollar cost averaging (DCA), dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin. Dollar cost averaging is basically a way to get exposure to an asset without committing a large sum of money, or you could, but on a consistent basis to potentially take out some of the price swings or take advantage of some of the volatility in the price swings of a particular asset class. So I have a particular asset that you're looking to invest in. I have this is Investopedia and just their definition and some examples of how what it is, and the benefits of doing it, takeaways, real world examples, so on and so forth. And why would you want a dollar cost average into Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies? Well, specifically Bitcoin. Historically, these are some of the historical gains of Bitcoin from its inception in 2010. So first, I mean, obviously, it was brand new, it wasn't worth anything, but year over year, it pretty much has it gains in value. So you can grow your particular hedge or say or kind of set up a savings or hedge against your current dollar value and inflation and things like that by investing money in Bitcoin. But you may not have a lot of money, or you may have a lot of money. It all just depends on you. I mean, currently right now Bitcoin is about, let's say, about $60,000, and you may not have the funds available to get a full Bitcoin, but you can still get exposure to Bitcoin and grow your your net worth over time by just dollar cost averaging. And how can you just kind of keep in mind, even though Bitcoin is about $60,000 now, let's just look at the total market cap of Bitcoin. And I always just like to point this out. I use this example a lot, but it's got a $1 trillion market cap for Bitcoin. The whole cryptocurrency market cap is about 1.8 trillion. Let's just look at one company traded on the New York Stock Exchange, the Apple. So if we look at Apple trade on the Nasdaq, one of the FANG stocks, it has a market cap of $2 trillion. So Apple by itself is still larger than the whole cryptocurrency market cap. Than the whole cryptocurrency market cap, and you can position yourself to take advantage of the growth of Bitcoin. And like I said, over time, it's just grown. I mean, it's for whatever it's just grown because of the nature of the asset, how it's programmed. Nobody owns it. Just some of the attributes of it. It just grows over time. And one of the best ways you can take advantage and do dollar cost averages on the Cash app. And a lot of people are familiar with Cash App. Square owns Cash App. You can get this right on Apple, on the App Store, or on Google Play. And just how simple it is. Once you're in there, you would just come in. This is what it looks like on the apps. In Cash App, you kind of just go down to the bottom or here where it says buy Bitcoin. You just do that. Just click to that button. Now once you're in here, you're just following the prompts, and it lets you either do a standard one-time offer, or you can set up recurring buys by just clicking here, and you can pick whatever you want. And it's just as simple as pressing a button, and there you go. Now you can get 10, 15, 20, $100 a week, $100 every 2 weeks, whatever the case may be. You can set it up based on how you get paid, or whatever you want to do. You can set it up that way in Cash App and get exposure to Bitcoin. Now the only thing about Cash App and buying Bitcoin is all you can do is buy Bitcoin as far as for dollar cost averaging. Coinbase, I know, allows you to dollar cost average a number of different cryptocurrencies. There's others that you might be interested in, such as Ethereum. But I mean, Cash App is one of the quickest, easiest ways to do it and get that exposure. I recommend, if you're going to be doing a smaller amount, let's say you want to do $10 a week or something like that. It's probably better to do $20 every 2 weeks, just because of just every time you make a transaction, there's fees. And if you're going to be doing $10, well, you're going to have fees knocking into your total Bitcoin purchase, versus if you do $20 every 2 weeks, that's a lot less bigger hit on your purchase. So I just kind of wanted to share this video. If you got value for this video, please like the video. If you have any questions, anything you want us to go over, is info@thecryptocraft.com. Subscribe, share. I wanted to share this one more time. Have a great day. Take care. Talk to you soon.